Hello again, just making a quick video on how to reset the service light in a Nissan Micra K12 or Mark III. I've done the service today. I've just forgotten to reset the light and obviously done a number of miles on it. So with this, you want to turn the ignition on but not start the vehicle. It has to be in swift process, otherwise the car will automatically decide to exit obviously the process. So you will put the ignition on and then you'll press the button that's near the speedo on the right hand side. So you'll press and hold that as soon as the ignition comes on, and you can see the service light which will be around there. So once you do that, when you press and hold it, that light should start flashing, and then obviously once it starts flashing, you press the same button while the light is still flashing to select obviously the amount of new mileage until the next service is ready. So I'm going to quickly do that and just show you what it looks like. So ignition on, press and hold that right button. Now it's just start flashing, press it again. So obviously I've got it set to 7,000 miles. I might just put it to 7,500. But you can change this up and down. You can just keep going. I don't know the limit, but you can just keep however high you want it. I think it tops out around 20,000 miles, but I don't really do that many miles, so around 7,000, 7,500 is normal, or it's just right for me. Okay, it tops out 32,000, but I'm just gonna set it back to 7,000. So sorry, the clip got cut off, so just make a continuation. So while I was changing the amount of mileage until the next service, when you choose your preferred obviously figure, you just leave the button alone. It will flash and then go back to this screen, sorry. Then you'll turn the ignition off again. I'll just wait 5 seconds or so and then turn it back on, and then there's your new service meter. So I hope this video is helpful, and thanks for watching.